Let me take my pen out so y'all can see the I was gonna say so y'all can see the lace, but welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shayna J. Brazilian loose wave hair, and I have in 2 bundles of 28, no sorry, 2 bundles of 26, a 24, a 22, and a 20-inch lace frontal. And I did construct it into a unit as I do all my bundles. And yeah, I made it a glueless unit, so I have a an elastic band in the back. So I'm just gonna pop this baby on, and y'all, I am so proud of the construction of this unit. I did a couple of different techniques when I was constructing this particular unit, so I'm really happy with the way it turned out, and I want you guys to see how like flawless this joint just like lays. So we're gonna pop this unit on. You put the elastic strap in the back first. Make sure that's nice and flat, and then all you do is just pull the wig down. Like, look at how, y'all, look at how freaking flawless that lace laid, and I didn't do anything yet. Like, bruh. I did make this a glueless unit, so all you would really have to do is kind of just put some either some Gots to Be spray or Gots to Be gel, whatever have you, like right on like the edges where the sideburn is, and you don't have to do anything else to this unit. Like, let me zoom y'all in, because this is like, you know, this is no game right here. And mind you, like y'all saw, all I did was put it on. Like, bitch 2020, okay, sweetie, we not here for the bullshit this year. We are not here for the bullshit. So I'm gonna go ahead and talk to you guys about this unit while I you know, like finish styling it or whatever. So once again, this unit is by Ishow hair. This is their Brazilian loose wave, like I said before. I have a little bit of hair left over, so I have most of all the 4 bundles in. And the hair is really full, but just like it's full, it's also light. Like, I did not expect the hair to be so lightweight. And I also haven't had Brazilian hair in a while, so Brazilian hair is finer than Malaysian hair, which is what I usually like to work with. But I haven't had Brazilian hair in so long, and this hair is so soft, it's so lightweight, and I really am enjoying the texture of this unit. Now let's start with some of the pros and the cons. So I want to start off with shipping. I got this hair super fast. I want to say that I got this hair in about 3 days. Yeah, I got this hair in about 3 days. So the shipping was super fast. It came via FedEx. Excuse my hairy ass underarms. Well, they're not hairy ass, but you know, they're hairy. Yeah, so like I said, the shipping came pretty fast. It came in about 3 days via FedEx. So I received my hair. So if you guys don't know, loose wave hair, I don't really see too many reviews for loose wave hair. So loose wave hair, like the original curl pattern of loose wave hair, comes in almost like a spiral curl. So if I can, I'll insert like a picture somewhere over here of what like the loose wave texture originally comes in, and then once you wash it, it kind of loosens up into like a, you know, a regular like wavy textured like a wavier texture. So see, like I said, y'all, all you gotta do is put some like Gots to Be spray, like really literally on the like on the ear flap part, and that's it. Like, you don't have to do anything else as far as laying down this unit. So I'm so happy with how this unit came out, y'all. Like, I really did that. Like, I really freaking did. I really did. Like, I must fucking admit, I must. So yeah, like I said, the hair comes in like a spiral texture, and then it kind of gets once you wash the hair and stuff, it, you know, gets into like this loose, effortless beach wave type of wave pattern rather. I've had loose wave hair before, but the loose wave hair that I had, it didn't wave up, and that's why I've never really been inclined to try loose wave again. But Ishow did go ahead and, you know, send me their loose wave hair because they wanted me to promote their loose wave hair. And guys, like, this hair is so, it's bomb. Like, it's bomb. This is an initial review, so I am gonna come back to you guys and give an update once this hair kind of wears in, once I wear this hair a little bit. But yeah, honestly, so far I don't have any complaints about it. I'm not gonna lie, when I was constructing the wig and when I was like washing the hair, I did get a little bit of shedding, and I feel like that's because when you receive the hair in its original like form, I don't know, like, I guess the spiral curl, it's almost as if you try to detangle curly hair. You know how when you detangle curly hair, of course it's gonna get, like, when you detangle curly hair dry, of course it's gonna get like tangled, and it's gonna get tangled, and it's gonna get caught in stuff. Like, it's just what's gonna happen, just because it's curlier hair, so of course that's what's gonna happen. But now it doesn't do anything. Like, it doesn't shed, it doesn't tangle on me, none of that. Look at that, y'all. Like, I didn't even, like, seriously, I could stand to pluck it a little more on this side though. Just a little on this side, right? Yeah, I'm gonna pluck it a little bit more because this is my first time like wearing the hair like out, and I don't think I want to do baby hair just because, I don't know, like, I've been really feeling just not having baby hair, and I've also been wanting to practice that type of technique, like, you know, the no baby hair technique. So no better person to practice than, you know, yourself. So what I'm gonna do is, all I'm gonna do is spray a little bit of the Gots to Be on the rest. You don't have to do this, but I like to do this so that it could just melt a little bit better. This hair is really it's really nice. It's 20, like I said, it's 26 inches. I am gonna stand up and show you guys what it looks like when I stand up. But I really don't have any complaints. I just wanted to show you guys how I pretty much apply the wig. I'm trying to decide. I don't think I'm gonna add any baby hair right now. Maybe something right here. Nothing crazy, something light. You see how I just swooped it like that? It's not even a real baby hair, it's just something to, you know, cover it up a little bit. Y'all, I love, like, I am so proud of how I constructed this unit. And y'all know I usually, like, even lay it down and shit, like, tie it down. So maybe I'll just do that just for the sake of the video. You don't have to. Again, this is, like, optional, because as you saw before, all I did was apply it the first time and it was good to go. So I don't have to, like, you know, lay it, but I'm gonna do that for the purposes of this video. So I'm gonna take my people ask me where I get this, like, this wrap from. This is literally, like, you know, when you go to the 99-cent store, or not 99-cent store, but you go to the beauty supply store and you see those, like, those headbands, those cotton headbands. All I did was take one of those and I cut it in half, and that's what I use to lay it. So it's basically a headband that I cut in half, and I like using it because it's, like, super stretchy and it'll, like, lay the fuck out of your fucking lace. So I tie that joint extra tight for the culture. And yeah, so all I did with this hair is wet it, and I added some mousse so that it could, you know, retain the wave, and that's all I did. Like, I didn't add any curling, you know, serums or whatever. I didn't add any oils or anything like that, because this hair has a really nice I'm trying to see, I'm not sure if you can really see it, like my ring light is so bright, but I'm sure you can see it, but the hair has like a really nice luster. Like, it has a nice luster where I don't need to add any type of oil, because I feel like that'll just weigh the hair down. I also like my hair to be kind of fluffy, so I don't like to really add any oils in it. This hair is really pretty when it's wet, but I do not like wet hair. I don't like the feeling of wet hair on me. It's irritating. So that's why I wet it while it's on like the mannequin head, and then I, you know, put it on my head. So this is a 13x4 lace closure, if you guys are wondering. So I have it in a side part, as you can see. I am going to add a little bit of powder to the lace, just so that you guys can see that. So yeah, I'm just putting my earrings on. So other than that, this hair is, it didn't have a smell when I received it. When I washed it though, I'm guessing because whatever they used to retain that curl pattern washed out, so it was like, it didn't, when I was washing it, it had like this weird it had like this brownish film, I guess. Not film, but it had like it rinsed like brownish. So I'm assuming that it's like whatever that they use to retain the curl pattern, whatever products that they use to, you know, make the hair, you know, whatever wave pattern this is, that's what was like washing out. So look at how beautiful these curls are, y'all. Like these are like effortless waves. Like it's not as curly as, you know, your deep wave, and it's not as loose as your body wave. Like, you know, when you wash body wave hair, it's almost pretty much straight. It just has like a slight wave to it. This is like a step up. This is like more wavy, and I love this hair. Like, I want to show you guys. I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see the length on me. Look at these curls. Now you can see how bomb it is. Hold up, let me step back. Like, do you see how bomb? Especially the ends. Like, I'm so glad that the hair is the same. Like, the closure, I mean the frontal is the same wave as the bundles. I did notice though that the frontal actually dries a lot faster, so I mean, that's not really that big of a deal, but yeah, the frontal does dry a lot faster, but I mean, when it all dries, it's the same, you know, the same curl pattern. So that's what it's looking like. Like, bomb, y'all. Let me turn around for y'all. Like, I'm 5'3", well, actually I'm 5'4". I realized I grew. Okay, so I'm gonna just take this down now, and all it took, as you guys saw, was a couple of seconds. And now I'm gonna just take some powder. This is the powder that I use on my face, and this is from True Match. I usually use another powder, but I'm running out of that, so I'm gonna use what I have, which is this True Match. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take this, and I'm just going to I'm gonna take this, and I'm just gonna put it like on the lace. Just so that it can blend in with my skin a little bit better. Y'all, this hair looks so, like, I'm really proud of myself. Like, I really did that. Like, I can't even say I low-key did that. I high-key, I high key did that. Like, high key. Do I want to add a little to the side? Just a little bit. I kind of need a smaller brush though, because fuck it, I'll make it work, whatever. I'm just gonna add a little bit right to that part and then just wipe it off, because of course, you know, it'll get on the hair, but we just wanna add that up in there. Okay, yeah, y'all. Can we get into it, please, y'all? I'm so happy right now. Like, this came out so cute. Okay, y'all, so that is literally it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, if you haven't already, please leave a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I am just so grateful for each and every one of you that have watched my videos. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you that has shared my videos, liked, comment, whatever that you have done to help support my channel. I am greatly appreciative. 2020, we coming. Like, yo, y'all don't even understand how excited I am about this shit. But yeah, that is all that I have for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, that's all. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.